For this problem, we'll let x equal the cube root of t plus 2. For then, the equation becomes much simplified. It simply becomes x squared plus 2x equals 2. And if we subtract 2 from each side of this equation, it becomes x squared plus 2x minus 2 equals 0. And we can apply the quadratic formula to this. We get that x is equal to negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 4 minus 4 times a times c, all divided by 2 times a. This is negative 4 times negative 2 is positive 8. Downstairs, 2 times 1 is 2. 8 plus 4 is 12. 12 is equal to 4 times 3. And the square root of 4 times 3 is the square root of 4 times the square root of 3. And the square root of 4 equals 2. Then we can factor out a 2. Which allows you to cancel that 2. Therefore, we have our solution for x. X is negative 1 plus the square root of 3. Plus or minus the square root of 3. This is x, but we're supposed to find t, so we're not quite done. But we're getting there. So now we know that x is this. So x is negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 3, and that's equal to the cube root of t plus 2. After all, that's just x that we just found. So we have to raise each side to the third power to start solving this one for t. Cubing each side of this equation, we get that negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 3 is equal to t plus 2. And if I but subtract 2 from both sides, subtracting 2 from each side, we get that t is equal to negative 2 plus negative 1 plus or minus the square root of 3 to the third power. So we found two solutions for t. The plus gives you one solution, the negative gives you the other.